Hey there, Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Let's talk about 3 alive and kicking ways to supersize and grow your business. 3 things I like to look at for myself and my own businesses that I don't know if everybody looks at them. Probably not everybody looks at and does anything, but these are 3 of my favorite things to consider and pay attention to as I am ascertaining and assessing the health of my current business. The first thing is employee engagement, team engagement. How engaged are the people in my organization with the mission, the principles, the purpose, what it is that we're trying to do? How engaged are they with our customers? A lot of people measure customer engagement or social media engagement, and I think those are okay indicators, but I think it's more important to know that if we grow and develop our team and our employees, they will take care of the rest. If we are doing that, then we are setting the example and taking care of the rest for our organization. So employee engagement, how involved are you with your team, with the people that are building your business with you and for you? Secondly, I like to look at the lifetime value of a customer. A lot of people look at the cost to acquire a customer, the cost to retain a customer, the cost of a customer, but I like to look at the lifetime value of a customer. If I have a customer that comes into my organization, what can I expect, and what actually, by calculating and checking, is the lifetime value of that particular customer? And I like to keep track of that over time because I want to make sure that I'm continuing to grow and serve and deliver to the people that I'm here to serve what it is that they want. And to me, that lifetime value of a customer is an indication. If that's increasing over time, and if the length that a person stays with us is increasing over time, then I am personally achieving a goal and objective that I've set for myself in my businesses as I'm supersizing and growing them. That may or may not apply to you. Maybe you are a startup company or you have a startup product or service, and so you know that people are going to come to you only for a short period of time. So then maybe you'd rather look at another aspect of customers. But customers are the lifeblood of our organization, so we better be paying attention to them. Thirdly, I like to review, rethink, and evaluate my strategic plan at least on an annual basis. Are we going in the right direction? Is this the right strategy for what's going on in the environment and the world right now for this particular business, for this group of people that we're here to serve? Because things change all the time. COVID-19 has taught all of us in across the board, in every industry, in every walk of life, that stuff changes all the time. And individually we know that, but collectively we had a huge slap in the face and wake-up call with the COVID-19 pandemic. It impacted organizations and industries and businesses in ways that we previously couldn't have even imagined. But now we imagine it, so we want to rethink, reevaluate, reaffirm that we're doing the things that we want to do for our strategy, or rethink and change things up and make sure that, and this of course includes our marketing plan, our social media plan, all those things that we're using now that we weren't using a decade ago. So those are my 3 tips for how to be alive and kicking, how to make sure that we're invigorating and keeping our business alive and kicking, engaging and measuring in some way, shape, or form for ourselves employee engagement, value of the customer to you, what measure makes sense for you, but making sure that we're customer focused, and finally making sure that what we're doing and how we're doing it and how we're serving is according to the plan that we want to be implementing today. That's it. Have an awesome day. Go make sure your business is alive and kicking, and I will be with you tomorrow with another physical related idiom. What things mean, where they come from. Did I even say where this came from? This came from actually fishmongers. Fishmongers used to say alive and kicking to describe the fish that they were trying to market and sell at the fish market. And by the 1800s, it had already become a cliche. But in 1960, it got a resurgence by meaning that the reported health of someone was not necessarily true, that it was a denial of somebody being sick by saying they were alive and kicking and they were healthy and active. All right, have an awesome day. I'll be with you tomorrow.